Thank you for calling HMRC. This is Officer Simon Edwards. How can I help you?
Yeah, hello. I was just on the phone with your colleague. This is James Halperts.
Pardon?
This is James Halperts. I was just on the phone with your colleague.
Okay, you just spoke with somebody, one of my colleagues, okay?
Yeah, I had an issue with my taxes. I got some outstanding money, apparently. There's a warrant in my arrest.
Okay, let me see. Okay. Just be on hold.
Right, okay.
Yes, I just, search my records.
Yeah.
And, and I find out that, the reason behind the call is to get your attorney's information as HMRC has filed a tax fraud lawsuit against you, okay?
Right, yeah, your colleague was mentioning this. I've got some outstanding taxes. He never mentioned how much is outstanding.
Okay, let me tell you in details, okay? Have you received a phone call from your local police department?
No.
Okay. Are you not at all aware about this case?
No.
Sir, please grab a pen and a piece of paper so that I can provide you the necessary information regarding this case.
Yeah, well, your colleague asked me to do that. I've got a pen and paper in front of me.
Okay, thank you. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay. First of all, I'd like to identify myself. My name is Simon Edwards, and our batch ID number is HMR 125632. Note it down.
HMR
125.
Yeah.
632.
632. Okay.
Okay. Also, please note down your case file number. That is HM.
Yeah.
036.
Yeah.
75.
75. Okay.
Okay. Before we proceed further, I would like to notify you that the telephone lines on which we are talking right now are being recorded and monitored by HMRC, HMCTS, that is our Magistrates Courthouse, and your local police department.
Yeah, they sure are being recorded. That's right. Okay, cool.
So please do not interrupt me in between and listen to this carefully while I read out the charges to you over this recorded call. As according to the Freedom of Information Act of 2000, everyone has a right to know the charges before a lawsuit get executed against them. We are fulfilling that obligation of ours over this recorded line. So again, I'll give you a chance to ask each and every questions that you may have, okay?
Right, okay.
Please do not hang up. Please do not hang up the call, as we have already informed you regarding this case. Hanging up will get rid of your possible chance to resolve this issue, okay? So HMRC conducts random audit on taxpayers' tax files every few years to look for signs of discrepancies and errors, okay? Similar audit was conducted on tax file of yours between the year 2014 and 2019. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. During the audit, we found out that there was a miscalculation in your filing for the amount of £2,985. So now that amount is shown as pending and unpaid under your HMRC account. HMRC believes this mistake was not a result of innocent negligence, but it was a willful and intentional act rather than to defraud the government. As a result of this issue, HMRC has filed a lawsuit against you with the following charges. Count number 1, violation of HMRC tax laws. Count 2, tax fraud and tax evasion. Count 3, theft by deception. Count 4, willful misrepresentation of the information against the government organization. So at this point of time, we have decided to forcefully recollect the amount from you by involving HMRC code 6331H against you. This means that HMRC will be taking a legal course of action by taking this matter to the courthouse. Once this case gets executed, which it will once this call gets terminated, what government will do is there will be a lien against all of your personal assets, including house and car. All your bank accounts, debit card, credit card will be frozen and suspended. HMRC will also file a lien all of your official assets, your wages and benefits that you might be receiving from your employer will be stopped. Any existing payment I'm sorry. Any existing payment plan with HMRC I'm sorry.
Oh, it sounds like you got a bit of tickly cough there.
Any existing plan with HMRC will be terminated under Section 30 AF HMRC Code. Your passport and driving license will be seized and suspended. There will be a black mark against your national insurance number and credit report. After your case put in the court, the amount you will be asked to pay will be including the legal expenses and penalties. Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here. You told me not to speak.
Okay. Oh, yeah. The amount you will be asked to pay, including the legal expenses and penalties, comes to rupees 19,945.
Oh my God.
Yes,
That's a lot of money.
Once we terminate this conversation, within 2 hours, a police officer from the local police department will be at your place to serve you a court summons and a warrant for your arrest. As per the UK law right to counsel, you have every right to hire a solicitor to represent you inside the courthouse. Now I am done, as I have provided you all the case information over this recorded line. You may ask any question if you have.
Yeah, how much did you say was outstanding? 2,000.
Okay, let me explain to you. The actual amount which you owe to HMRC is £2,985. But once you are proven guilty inside the courthouse, or if your solicitor fails to prove your innocence inside the courthouse, then the amount you will be required to pay would include all the legal expenses and penalties, and it comes to approximately £19,945.
Oh my God. Clear? No, I can't afford that. I haven't got £19,000.
So you don't owe that much of amount. You owe only £2,985. Okay.
So what are you saying? If I pay that, all this can go away.
So let me tell you. Let me ask you a few questions. It will help you to resolve this issue. Okay.
Right. Okay.
First of all, just explain to me who files your taxes during the year 2014 and 19.
Well, my sister does it. She's an accountant.
Okay, your sister is an accountant. She used to do it for you on behalf of you.
Yeah, she does.
Right. What was your primary source of income during that period? I mean, back in 2014 to 2019.
Oh, it's our fishing business.
You are a self-employed?
Self-employed, yeah, I'm a fisherman.
Okay. Do you usually cross-check your P60 forms?
Well, I'm guessing that she does. I don't.
Sir, just a minute. Just be on hold just for a sec.
Right, okay. Sounds like you're coughing up a lung there, mate.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. The question is this. I understand that your sister normally, files taxes on your behalf during those periods.
Yes, that's right.
But sir, since the taxes were filed under your name, it becomes your responsibility to cross-verify the information. Okay?
Right.
So tell me, when you got, the P60 form at the end of the year, did you cross-verify all the information?
I didn't, but she will have.
Well, okay, the auditors who are specially trained to look after into the tax files on behalf of us have audited your files, and they found that you intentionally committed tax fraud
Oh
by
God, no.
omitting certain.
No, 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 not at all, not at all. That's just something I wouldn't do. We pay our taxes.
I understand that you pay your taxes, but I think why the discrepancies has come. Let me explain to you.
Yeah,
Okay?
go on.
The reason you are not in, you see, the taxes which you have paid during this year, which your sister has paid, informed to the government. Maybe you have failed to claim your actual income, which was higher than what was presented in your records, or in certain cases, you have been wrongly benefited from the deductions for which you were not eligible every year. And it has been paid. So as a result, you paid lesser taxes than you were supposed to. Okay?
Right, I see.
Our auditors, who are specially trained to look after into the taxpayers' files, have audited your files, and they found that there was a mistake. There is discrepancies of 2,985 pounds. That's why HMRC has called you. Have you understood?
I understand. Oh, okay. Well, look, I don't want to pay all that 19-odd thousand pounds, so can I just pay the 2,900 and all this goes away?
Yes. Just hold a bit.
Right, okay.
So now, tell me over this recorded line, did you do it intentionally, or was it an honest mistake from your side?
It was a honest mistake. I did not know about this whatsoever.
Okay, since this was not an intentional from your end, and I believe you told me over this recorded line that it was an honest mistake, you have, what I suggest you have a word with my senior solicitor.
Yeah.
Explain him your situation and see if he can help you anyway. Okay, so Be on the line. Do not hang up. Be on the line, be patient, and explain him, coolly your situation. And I believe he can help you out, So be on hold, okay?
Right, okay. I hope your throat gets better. You sound like you're coughing up a lung there.
Thank you for being on hold. This is Gloria Smith. Your call has been transferred to me. How are you doing today, sir?
Yeah, hi, Gloria. I've been better.
I believe that my representative, he must have explained to you regarding the case, right?
She has, yes. I've in a nutshell, I've got some outstanding taxes that haven't been paid. My sister, the accountant, she's normally pretty good. We've never had any issues before. He said that there's a chance that I could just pay this back and I could not have to go to court or anything.
Now, do you have a solicitor who could represent you inside the courthouse?
Not offhand, no.
Do you have a solicitor for yourself?
No.
Okay. And I believe that my representative, he must have give you the information regarding the case, right?
Yeah, he did, yeah.
All right. Now, who used to file your taxes, sir?
It's my sister. She's my accountant.
She's an accountant?
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Now, we have an auditor, all right, who are specially trained into this, and they have audited your file between the year of 2014 and 2019. And after audited your file, they have found out that there is a discrepancy in your filing for the amount of £2,985. Now, what you were doing during the time period of 2014 to 2019, what you were doing back then, sir?
Well, it's we've been doing the family business. We're a fisherman. I'm a baiter. I'm like a master baiter. It's my job. It's a great job. We've been doing that for years.
Okay, and what was your primary source of income
Fish.
back 2014 to 19?
Well, my primary source of income was fish.
Okay, are you in the same profession, sir?
Yes.
Okay, and how much you're getting in a month?
Oh, in a month, probably about £2,000, £3,000.
Okay, are you getting any benefits from the government?
No.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested for any type of tax fraud or criminal allegation?
For tax
against
fraud,
yourself?
no. Other stuff, yes, but not tax fraud.
Do you have any pending judgment or complaints against yourself?
No, not currently.
Okay. Now, what I can see, there is two possible outcomes. All right. One is you provide us with your solicitor's information and face the case again inside the courthouse. It's called INCR, which stands for Inside Court Restitution. And the other option is OOCR, which stands for Outside of Court Restitution. All right.
Yeah, like, what's the one where I can just pay now and all this goes away?
So it's not about the money, right? It's like you're showing your good intention, all right? Now, HMRC, they believe that you have intentionally tried to defraud the government by not paying this amount, all right?
No, not at all.
Now, the case, it's about to be executed, all right? So this is a notification call to you, sir. We are notifying you beforehand, all right? Now, it's all up to you. How do you want to proceed, okay?
Right, okay.
Now, there is, as I said, like there is a two option, all right? One is INCR and the other option is OOCR. The OOCR, I'm not sure whether it's made available for you or not, all right? So
right,
if the OOCR is made available for you, can you come up with the amount which you owe to HMRC, which is £2,985 right away?
Yeah, we've got a surplus in our fund, in our business account. We can probably pay that. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now I will put you on hold. All right, and let me talk to my senior solicitor. All right.
Right. Okay.
And they will go through your past records. All right, and they will come with the conclusion. Okay. So just be on hold. All right.
Right. Okay.
Don't hang up. Yeah. Thank you for being on hold, sir. All right, and I would like to congratulate you. All right. The OOCR is made available for you. All right.
Wait, it is available.
Now I'm gonna read out some condition. All right, which you have to follow religiously. All right.
Yeah. Okay. Go on. I'm listening.
Okay. Now, condition 1, do not hang up. I'm required to produce this recording at my end in order to prove your genuine efforts in cooperating with us. And hence, you cannot disconnect this line. I repeat, this line has to be live throughout the course until we have successfully made the resolution. Or if I tell you otherwise, disconnection from your side without my clear knowledge and or approval can result in termination of our OIC agreement. Because at this stage, this conversation at your minute-by-minute activity is our only way to prove your honest intention and to record your efforts in trying to resolve this matter by paying off the owed tax amount. Our department cannot afford to reach a dead. And please be very clear of how strictly you are required to follow the instruction, all right, you're given. If the call gets disconnected, I will call you back immediately from my side, which you have to pick it up quickly, all right? Otherwise, the OIC agreement will be suspended. Is that understood? Are you agree to it?
Yes, that I do understand. I agree.
All right. Now, condition 2, privacy. HMRC will reserve the right to withdraw this OIC agreement on a digressional basis. If your corporation is compromised in any manner, since this case is not public as of yet, and due to the nature of such OOCR agreement, under special circumstances, the IRS doesn't want to become public knowledge. You will be required to remain absolute discreet and are not under any circumstances allowed to disclose or discuss the matter partially or entirely with anyone, be it your friends or family member, no matter what. If you do so, it will be considered as a serious violation of law, and the offense can and will lead to further legal proceedings under the confidentiality charges. This condition is there because there are lots of people in similar situation as you are, but very less of them are getting OIC offers. So HMRC wants absolutely discretional as people who did not get OIC could appeal in the courthouse against HMRC. Do you understood? Are you agree to this condition, sir?
So I can't tell any of my family members?
No.
What about my sister? She's the accountant. Can I tell her?
Should I read out the condition once again?
No, I do understand. Yeah, you made yourself clear. I understand.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, condition 3, bank payment. Due to the nature of the entire case, the payment cannot and will not be accepted via debit card, credit cards, or check. Because if the payment is done in such form, it will not reflect in your IRS account immediately. Also, we cannot take your credit card or debit card details over the phone, as this recording will be played in the courthouse either in your favor or against you. So if we take your debit card details, it will get disclosed in front of all court and jury members, which will make it public. So payment has to be made to a bank account generated in name of a jury or a judge member, as the courthouse is playing role of mediator in the OIC which has been offered to you. Once you make the payment to that account, a judge and jury member will say that the payment has been received, and HMRC will immediately withdraw the case which has been filed against you. Later on, that amount will be transferred to the HMRC by the courthouse. Okay? Do you understood? Are you agree to this condition, sir?
I understand and I do agree.
Thank you so much. Now, do you do online banking?
Yes, I do, yes.
Okay, which bank are you banking with?
We've got a couple. We've actually got three. We've got Santander, we've got TSB, and we've got Cooperative. Like the Santander is my business account. The other two are personal.
Okay, so which one you want to use?
I guess my business taxes. So let's do my Santander.
Santander?
Yes.
The Santander account, it's under your name, sir?
It is,
you are
yes.
the account holder?
It is, yes.
Okay, just be on hold, all right? I'm going to talk to my senior solicitor, all right?
Right, okay.
So once I get the information, account information of the jury member, I will forward it to you, okay, sir?
Right, okay.
Is that clear to you?
Right, I understand.
Thank you so much. Just be on the line, don't hang up, all right? In the meanwhile, if you have any question or queries, you can ask them right to me right now.
No, I do understand. I'm not great with numbers, see, so I got my sister, the accountant, to do it. If it's unpaid taxes, it's something that I wasn't aware about, but we've got some money put aside that we can put away for this.
Okay, all right. Now I'll put you on hold, all right, and I will go ahead and talk to my jury member, all right. Once I get the information, the account information, I will forward it to you, sir. Okay, sir?
Right. Okay. Okay. So payments and transfers. There we go.
Yes.
Set up a new payment. There we go.
Yes.
Right. A payee. That's fine. So it's asking me for a name. Who am I sending this to?
The account name?
Yes. Who am I sending this to?
Is it asking for the account name?
Yeah, who am I sending this to?
The account is generated under one of my jury member. Okay. I will spell it out for you. It's M-A.
Yeah.
It's M for Michael, A for Alpha. That's correct, sir.
Right, I got that. It's asking for a sort code.
It's asking for the sort code?
Yeah, that's right.
It's 04. Yes, correct.
Right, okay. And it's now asking for an account number.
All right. Please write it down, the account number, which is 00. Now you'll be receiving a notification from HMRC, right?
A notification from HMRC? What do you mean? What do you mean, a notification from HMRC?
You're not getting any message or notification from our end?
No, when I verified the account, it's come up with a green tick. Now it's asking me if I want to do a business or a personal transaction.
Make it personal.
Make it personal, okay.
Yes. Or is it asking for any reference?
No, the next thing it's asking for is the amount, which was what?
Amount?
25.
Okay, the amount you have to type there. The amount is £2,985. It's 28.
Wait, 2,895? Did you say? Well, 2,985.
No, it's £2,985.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay, cool. Right, it's asking for a reference.
Just put in your name, sir.
Right, put in my name, that's fine.
Yes.
Right, there we go. Okay, because I'm setting you up as a new PAYE, it's asking me to... Yeah, there we go. So it's just going to text my mobile number with like a one-off code. Bear with me. Click that. Right, okay. Do you want to confirm this transaction? Yes, we do. Right, that's just going through now.
Once you meet this transaction, you need to take a picture of it, okay?
Oh yeah, that's fine, no problem at all.
You need to take a picture of it, and later on you have to send it to the HMRC, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
You have to email it, okay, to the HMRC. Fine. That yes, you are the one who is making this transaction, okay?
Right. Oh, hello. It's come back. Transaction suspended. Suspected fraud on the receiving account.
What does it say?
It says here, transaction suspended. Suspected fraud on this receiving account. What's that about? Here you go. Do you want me to screenshot it and send it to you? Maybe you can get a better know of this. I've never had this happen before.
Just hold on, sir. Just hold on.
Yo, you still there?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
There you go. Hello.
Yes. Can you take a picture of it?
Yeah, that's fine. I had this happen before, like recently, with an overseas transaction. Is this like an overseas account, or is this a UK account?
Yes.
What? Yes, it's overseas, or?
You just need to take a picture of it, sir.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Bear with me 2 seconds. Right, we go there. There we go. So I've taken a picture of that. Let me go to my emails.
Sure.
Right, what's the email address that I'm sending this to?
Payments.hmrc at mail.uk.
Mail.co.uk or mail.uk?
Mail.uk.
Okay. I'll put my name as the reference for this, okay?
Yes.
Right, James Halpert. Okay,
Can you please confirm me the email address, sir?
that's... There you go. That's just been sent. I've sent you like the whole screenshot of that. As I say,
All right. Great, sir.
Yeah, as I said to you before, I had this happen a few weeks back when we were trying to do a transaction again from this account. It could be that it's because it's an online. It's an overseas account. I can typically only do like UK accounts from this bank account. You can hear Mate Boy in the background. He's definitely just got that email. Come on, bite the fishing rod. We're a fisherman. We can do this.
Do you have any other bank account, sir?
Yeah,
which is under your name?
Yeah, I've got this one. I've got my TSB. I've also got my cooperative bank.
Which bank is that?
Cooperative, like co-op. And I've got TSB as well.
TSB?
Yeah, I got TSB. But if this is an overseas transaction, I don't think I'll be able to do it on them. Let's say I had it happen on this one before.
Try to log into your TSB bank, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you have like a UK account for that, just in case?
Come again?
Do you have like a UK account, just in case?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, we'll do that. Right, let me go back. So I've gone back to the main screen. There you go.
Try to log into your TSB account.
TBS, yeah, of course, no problem.
Yes. And do you have the funds in the account?
I do, yes. How much was it? 2,985. Yeah, I got the funds in there. We got a bit of a bank loan a few weeks ago for something coming up.
Just do let me know once you're logged in, sir. Okay?
Yeah, I'm just logging in now.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, I'm all logged in. So I'm going to set you up as a new transaction.
Just hold on, sir. Just hold on.
Right, okay.
Let me see what went wrong, sir. Just hold on. Yeah. So what it's asking for, sir?
Again, it wants a name. Who am I sending this to?
Okay, it's P for Peter.
Okay, and this wants a sort code.
Okay, the sort code is 04. Yes, correct.
Okay, and now it wants an account number.
The account number is 15.
Right. Bear with me. I just got to verify this account. 2 seconds. It says this account cannot be verified. Please try again.
This account cannot be verified?
Yeah, it says please try again.
Are you sure that you have put the information correctly?
Yeah, I read it back, didn't I? Here we go. I've got it just here. It says the details. So the sort code is 04.
Do you see any option like continue or proceed?
No, it just says back. Yeah, let me press back. Right, it's taking me back to the home screen.
Come again?
It's taking me back to the home screen.
Are you on the home screen?
Yeah, I'm back on the home screen. That's right.
Are you logged in on your account?
Yeah, I'm all logged in. Everything's fine. Let me go back to that. I'll go back to the existing PAYE.
Now what option do you see, sir?
Hold on, I'm just typing that in. It sent me a passcode because it's a new payment.
Okay, all right.
The other option here would be...
Oh, transaction suspended. Suspected fraud on the receiving account.
That option is called...
What it says?
Transaction suspended. Suspected fraud on the receiving account. It's like what it said on the previous one.
Can you take a picture of it?
Yeah, of course, no problem at all.
And send it to HMRC?
Yeah, no problems at all. I'll tell you what, Gloria, you've been so patient with me. Thank you.
It's okay, sir. It's my job to,
Yeah, you do a lovely job, Gloria. You do a lovely job. Right. So you need me to screenshot this, yeah?
Yes.
Right, let me just get that screenshot now. Right, I'll go back into my email. I'll just send it to the previous email. I've still got that loaded up.
Yes.
That's the payments.hmrc, isn't it? Yeah, it's saying the similar thing or same thing as before. It says transaction suspended. It's got the suspected fraud. That's just been sent now.
All right, now just wait for a minute, okay?
Right, okay.
Thank you. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yes, my jury member, they have received your email.
Yep.
All right. So what is your daily
What is my daily?
Just hold on. Yes. What is how much your daily limit, sir? Do you have any daily limit?
No, we got no issues with daily limits at all. The guy in the background just definitely said suspended. They're all looking at this and be like, "Oh, what's happened?"
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here, Gloria.
Yeah. Now try to log out from your bank, all right? And try to log in again.
Yeah, which one? Shall I go back to my Santander?
No. Log out from this bank, all right?
So log out from TSB, yeah.
Log out and log in.
Log out and log in, sir.
Right, okay, bear with me.
Hey, it's Dan. So they stayed on the call for a lot longer. Nothing really happened. The call got incredibly boring, so I've cut it out. As you'll see on screen, they actually got me to do another £1,000 transaction to the same TSB, but they wouldn't give me any more details. In total, as you can now see on screen, the call was 1 hour, 55 minutes and 4 seconds, so that's a good couple of hours of their time wasted, 2 bank accounts. The next cool thing that I wanted to share with you is I tried to get more out of them. So as you can see on email now, I've sent them a couple of emails, and I also sent them a Grabify link in the hope that they would click it and we can get their details. And yep, sure enough, they clicked the link. As you can see, they are based in Surat in India. One cool thing about the Grabify is that you can send them to pretty much any URL or web page that you like. This is the one that I chose. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.